Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
What if you could be inspired and then have everything you need for that project in just one click? Here at Highway 30, we not only want to inspire you, but we also want to equip you with everything you need from start to finish. We craft one project per video, so you don't have to search to find the one tutorial that you need. Since you're here, we hope you'll also check out our Simply Inspiring videos where we share our creative process and we also learn lots of new things. If you're here from our holiday market, welcome, and thanks for stopping by. We hope that you'll stick around, check out some of our other videos, and while you're here, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our future projects. We'll see you next time.